my friends? How's everybody out there in the YouTube doing? So this weekend we celebrate Father's Day. So first and foremost, I want to wish everybody out there, well, every father out there, a happy Father's Day. Whether you're a biological father or whether you're a stepfather or an adoptive father, happy Father's Day to all you people out there. I'd also like to wish happy Father's Day to the women that pull double duty, that are both a mother and a father to their child. So you deserve a happy Father's Day too. So it's pretty interesting that Father's Day is kind of a secondary holiday, you know, whereas Mother's Day is really up high, Father's Day is down low. I seen a comedian on TikTok, yeah, TikTok, talk about the holidays. How, now I don't know how true this is because I didn't look up the stats, but this is what he said. He said the #1 holiday is Christmas. The #2 holiday is Mother's Day. Father's Day falls somewhere right around 20th, according to him. You know, Halloween is like 8th. Arbor Day is like number 16th. So Father's Day kind of gets a raw deal. And you look at Mother's Day and it's, you know, you plan 3 months in advance. You gotta get your reservations for your Mother's Day brunch. You know, it's all fancy like fucking Applebee's. But then for Father's Day, you know, come mid-afternoon on Father's Day, they're like, hey Dad, what do you want? Fucking Taco Bell or Subway? So it's kind of a fucked up holiday for the fathers in the world. So being a father, having a child is one of the great, it is not the one of, it is the greatest thing I had any contribution in creating, because it sure ain't this fucking YouTube channel. But just the joy and happiness of being a father is unspeakable. The first time your child wraps his arms around your neck to give you a hug and whisper in your ear, I love you, Daddy. You ain't got a heart if your heart don't melt there. That right there was like the best day of my life. My son growing up, I didn't get a chance to be there for everything because I was working, I was providing for my family, I was putting a roof over their head and doing all that fun shit. So, you know, unfortunately I had to miss out on some things. Now I was able to go to some things and the really important things I was there for. So, you know, I hope he knows the sacrifices I've made for him. And if he doesn't, then whatever. It's what we do as fathers, it's what we do as parents. So, so this video really wasn't about my views on fatherhood. I just really wanted to wish everybody a happy Father's Day. You know, so yeah, it's just happy Father's Day. I hope you I hope you get a better dinner than Taco Bell. That's all I gotta say. So this was a real quick one. Again, I say happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there and the mothers that are pulling double duty. Damn, that guy just ran the light. Fucking asshole. Couldn't wait like 3 seconds till the light turned green. He ran the light. But anyway, I digress. So yeah, like I said, this is just going to be a quick one to wish everybody happy Father's Day. All right, my friends. Until next time. Y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another.